Hello everyone. So today we are going to work on synchronizing the sprinting animation and the walking animation. So last time we worked on synchronizing the walking animation with the speed, the actual speed. So today we are going to do the same thing for sprinting and running. So right, let's get started. Okay, so now that we have worked on the synchronization for the walk animation, now let's look into other animations. So that means running and sprinting, but since this at this stage the character and speed is a little faster, so therefore we don't really see any problems. But anyway, let's slow down the time and see how they looks. Let me open the script and where did I do that? Right, so here I'll re-enable this part so that I can slow down the time scale and see what's going on. So the start is not smooth at all, but not a big deal. So this is running now, and yeah, as you can see, when running the character is clearly sliding forward. So when the foot is on the ground, you can see it's sliding forward and it's not staying in the same place as the character moves forward. So alright, so the running, let's check the running speed first. Running speed should be, well, I don't remember. Now it's 7, 8, 9. Let's go here in the character movement, and what's the running speed we have set? 6.7. okay, so why then it's okay, so here we have set max speed as 10, but in the beginning I think it would be better to set the character's speed, the default movement state as walking. So to do that, here I'll call toggle character movement. What's the set movement mode? Right, set movement mode to movement mode walk. Right, now if I prevent going on full scale, so just notice the max speed here is 10. Alright, now it's 2 because now we are in the working speed. So if I press caps lock, it increased to 6.7. So it isn't, we don't see much of sliding, but still not perfect. So either we should reduce the running speed or we should increase the playing speed of the animation. So let's try changing the playing speed. Well, actually this 6.7 is kind of odd, so therefore I'll set 7 for the run speed, and yeah, in the animator wait, this is the running part, so it's 6.7 at the moment. I'll set it to 7 and speed to 1.2. and let's see how it looks now. Right, better. Not really. Let's give 6 as the running speed and keep this one 1.1, and here also I need to change now running speed to 6. Quickly. For now the current speed is 4.7, 4.8, 4.9. You can see that in the console if you don't remember. Still not perfect, but better than before. Okay, then if that is a problem, let's try 5 for running speed. I need to set that here as well. Since we are working with slow time, it takes time to get up to the speed, but we can see the results clearly in this case, in this way. Okay, I think that's good enough. Yeah, that's better. Right, now let's see about sprinting. So the sprinting speed is 10. But I think 10 would be too much, so let's try 7. And in the animator, set this one to 7. And let's see how it looks. Now we are at 5.8, 9, 6, 6.2, 3. Okay, I think it's better. Maybe we should increase the speed of the animation a little bit. Other than that, it looks fine. Let's see. Let's try 1.1. And now I'll disable this time slowdown thing I had done here. And let's go full screen and see the final look. Okay, so this is working perfect, and this is running good. We don't see any slide in here, and this is sprinting. Alright, looks like a better character now. Okay, and what else we have to do? We have another blends place for crouching, but I will stop this episode at this point. So in the next episode, let's look into smoothing and make these crouching animations synchronize with the crouch speed. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link could be in the description below. And thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. So I have released another source code episode, so if you want, you can download it from my Patreon page. And thanks again. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.